Hello, this is just a short video to show you how to use the Permalink in the library databases. You will access this page by going to library.georgiancollege.ca, and here we go. So what I've told you to do is to explore AI and loneliness and find an article related to that, since that is the topic of the article that I provided for you. So we're going to use those search terms and click search. And as you see, a lot came up, over 9,000. Now, I have told you that you need to find an article from this year. So we're going to put in 2023 and we're going to click refine. And there we go. That has eliminated 8,000 articles. And so now we know that these articles fulfill the requirement that you have. As you see, they are articles. I think you can go over here and choose resource type, and you can choose just articles, that type of thing. So I'll let you do that to refine it more if you want to. But just as an example, we're going to take this first article. And as you see, it's on topic, it's from this year, it has actual authors that you can research to find out what their credentials are, and you can review it. And here we see the little link for Permalink, and that is right there. And you click it, and that gives you the Permalink that I'm going to want, and they have a copy of Permalink to clipboard if you want to do that. That is the link you need to provide with your homework this week. If you give me the URL at the top of the page, it will not work. Okay, it must be this link. The URL at the top of the page only relates to this specific search at this specific time and day. So if you give me that one, it won't work for me when I go to mark this a few days from now. So this is the Permalink that you need to provide for me in your assignment. So there you go. On your way to a great grade. Have a good day.